Hi everyone, today I am going to the Louis Vuitton Watch Ceremony. I don't know if any of you have gone to one before, but at our last Louis Vuitton Savoir Faire event in New York City, we did pick up something and it's arrived. This is actually from my husband, so I thought it actually would be cool to film it if I can to share with you what it's like. Louis Vuitton has always had watches, but I think recently they've kind of amped up their game. So I'm excited for him. I am getting ready right now. I thought I'd actually start filming. I just put on this new necklace that I got from Fedoma, which I have featured on this channel before. I will insert the unboxing here to share with you, but I am putting on some of their pieces. It comes in this box and yeah, it's really pretty. I'm just gonna put these on. These are gold vermeil. So they are gold plated over sterling silver, great for my sensitive ears. So if any of you have sensitive skin, this is a good brand to take a look at. So here are my pearl ones, which matches the pearl necklace here. It's actually kind of hard to do it without a mirror, but okay. How do we look? This is my trusty Saison cardigan. I have so many of these in different colors. I love it. It's like a little cropped. I can show you mod shots later, but yeah, my earrings matches the necklace quite nicely. I love it so much. And I also love the little like travel pouch as well. Also coming with me today is my handbag from Swarovski. This one I unboxed a couple videos ago and I've been bringing it along with me. Today I have the short strap on. It does come with a longer strap, but I decided to go with this today. So now this is what it looks like. Again, you'll see this in my mod shot. It's a small bag, but I have my hand wipes, wallet, lippy, ooh, my sunglasses. Glad we did this quick what's in my bag because I totally forgot my sunglasses. If you would like to take a look at this bag, I've been loving it. You can get $45 off with my code angeleyn45. These guys, I also got a code for you guys in case you want to save some money. I know we all always want to save a little bit, so I'll list my code here as well so that you can get a great deal. Okay, let's go. All right, we are on our way. There's this guy excited about your watch ceremony.
We'll see.
Okay, we will see. So we're here in the VIC room. Nathan's sitting here with a coffee, and this is what he's gonna open. We got a nice coffee, some chocolates. I'm gonna try on some earrings, and yeah. I actually really liked this earring, but I think it is a little big with my other piece on my ear.
Oh no.
Look, certificate from Geneva.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Ooh. Oh, nice.
Oh, the box is super nice.
Oh, it kind of looks like your watch trunk.
It does, yeah.
Wow.
Oh, nice. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Key and lock. It smells nice.
Yeah.
So how do we feel now?
I like it.
You do?
Yeah.
More excited now than this morning?
Oh, yeah.
It was hard to capture the Goyard Pearly color, but it is very nice. It is very similar to the original green color, but with just a sheen. It's definitely a special piece. Hi everyone, we are back. I hope you guys enjoyed the Louis Vuitton watch ceremony, unboxing ceremony. I took as many clips as I can. Nathan wasn't too comfortable with being, you know, in the shot, but he was a good sport and he let me document it. So in case any of you guys are interested in Louis Vuitton watches in the future, this is kind of what you can expect. Of course, I can't promise that every experience will be the same. We were quite surprised, and actually, Nathan probably knew about it. It was a really nice treat. And of course, when he tried on the watch, he also really enjoyed it. They fit it to his wrist and everything. So yeah, it was quite nice. We had chocolates, we had coffee, we had a bunch of stuff while we were there. Of course, I tried to try on different items while I was there as well. And I actually ended up getting something. So I will do that unboxing at a later time because I don't have it with me. But I did want to come back here to show you that one other surprise that we got from my essay is here. So I can share with you what's inside this box. And yeah, this is the last, I guess, little like surprise that we got. And so, oh, it's one of those pull tabs ones. It's quite heavy actually. So let's see if I can do this on camera because I don't want to break the box. All right, and here we are. This is a bottle of champagne. We got there a little bit early in the day, so I guess maybe it was too early to drink champagne. But anyway, this one comes with this like little own paper, I don't know, cardboard box. But yeah, how thoughtful. So I'm glad we took it home because there's no way my husband and I could have finished this on our own at the store. So that was really a really nice treat. So thank you to my essay. I'm glad my husband liked his watch, and I'm glad I got to witness the ceremony. They call it ceremony, but into like a private room, got to like open it, try it on, you know, all of that. So it was very special. I think this is a watch that is not something you can just buy. So there is somewhat of a waiting period because they have to make it for you. So there's a list that they go through. But if you are interested, I would talk to your essay just to see what is the waiting time. And yeah, I know with these things, they always go up in price. So better ask about it now than later. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Have you seen any of the watches from Louis Vuitton before? Are you interested? I also hope you enjoyed the little clip of the Goyard visit that we did right after, just because we were walking by and they had the new Pearly collection. Stocks are pretty limited, so I thought I'd go in really quickly to see it. I'm glad I got to see it. I don't think I was wowed enough to get it, but what are your thoughts on that? I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more unboxings and reviews on this channel. Bye!